To troubleshoot, log in to your Banco Sabadell savings account. Start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and that your device is compatible with the bank's online platform. Next, verify that you are using the correct username and password, as these are case sensitive and must be entered exactly as they were created. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the login page. You will be prompted to enter your username and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the bank's security requirements, which typically include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Another common issue is that your account may be locked due to multiple failed login attempts. If this is the case, you will need to contact Banco Sabadell's customer service to have your account unlocked. You can do this by calling their phone number or by visiting a local branch. It is also possible that your browser is causing the issue, so try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or try using a different browser to see if the problem persists. Additionally, make sure that your browser is up to date, as older versions may not be compatible with the bank's online platform. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be due to a technical problem with the bank's system. In this case, you can try checking the bank's website for any notifications about system downtime or maintenance, or contact their customer service for assistance. To prevent future login issues, make sure to keep your username and password secure, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with logging into your Banco Sabadell savings account. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account, and contact the bank's customer service if you have any further questions or concerns.